Encountering the update server down issue when firing up Valorant? No worries. I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the problem and get back into the gaming swiftly. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Optimize DNS settings. Open command prompt CMD by searching for it in the search bar. Type the ping 1.1.1.1 and press enter. Then do the same for ping 8.8.8.8. Determine the DNS server with the lowest ping. Go to settings, then network and internet, and select Ethernet. Click edit next to DNS server assignment. Select manual, enable IPv4 if off. In preferred DNS, add the preferred server. In alternate DNS, add the alternative server. Click save and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Adjust date and time settings. Open settings, click on time and language. Select date and time. Set the correct time zone. Turn on set time automatically. Click sync now. Close the window and open Valorant to check if the problem persists. Solution 3. Check Valorant server status. Open a browser, type status.riotgames.com in a web browser. Select your language and region. Choose Valorant. Select your region and language. Check for any server issues listed. If there are issues, wait until Riot Games resolves them. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the update server down issue in Valorant. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll respond ASAP. Thanks for tuning in.